Want to turn that virtual gift card into cold, hard cash in your Chase bank account? First things first, not all virtual gift cards can be directly deposited into your Chase account. The process usually involves converting the gift card into a form Chase accepts, such as transferring the value through PayPal or requesting a physical card. Visit the website associated with your virtual gift card. Look for options like redeem for cash, exchange, or request a physical card. If there's an option to redeem for cash via PayPal, that's your golden ticket. Redeem the gift card balance into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, creating a free PayPal account can be done in a matter of minutes. Link your Chase bank account to your PayPal account, which will be needed to make the transfer. Once linked, transfer the balance from your PayPal account to your Chase bank account. Alternatively, if you requested a physical gift card, once it arrives, use the Chase Mobile app to deposit it. Open the Chase Mobile app and tap on Deposit Checks. Endorse the back of the physical card with your signature, and for mobile deposit only, Chase enter the gift card amount and take clear pictures of the front and back of the gift card as prompted by the app. Submit the deposit. Keep in mind that processing times can vary. Check your Chase account activity in a day or two to confirm the deposit. Now you are all set to enjoy the funds from your virtual gift card in your Chase bank account.